After watching this video, you will be able to add a gradebook column for a graded activity you are collecting or assigning face-to-face instead of in Moodle, such as attendance points or an in-class presentation. To begin, click Grades on the left-hand side. Click Setup on the top row of tabs. Scroll all the way to the bottom and click Add Grade Item. You will notice a link that says Show More. Clicking this will expand all of your options for the grade item. Complete the information about the graded item you are adding. Some fields are required and some are optional. Item name. The name you enter here will be the column name you see in your grader report. For example, class presentation. Grade type. Grade types include value, a numerical grade, scale, grade is selected by a pre-created scale, or text. Selecting text will allow you to only share feedback with students. It will not allow you to enter a value that will be factored into the student's overall grade. Maximum grade is the point value for your grade item. You can only edit this if your grade type is set to value. Hidden until. This allows you to keep an item hidden until a set date and time. Lock after. This allows you to lock a grade item after a set date and time. Grade category. If you have created categories for your graded item, you will be able to select the category this grade item should be nested under. If you have not created categories, this option will be unavailable. Once you have entered your information, click Save Changes at the bottom. Click Continue after it reaches 100%. To view and add grades, click View on the top row of tabs. You will be able to scroll over to find the grade item that you just added. Class presentation. That's it. Thanks for watching. Contact Teaching and Learning Technologies to learn more.